Hey you guys, I'm Mackenzie and this is my first ever YouTube video for YouTube. That made no sense. Okay, yeah, so for this video, I am just going to introduce myself. My name is Mackenzie, I'm 13, I live in California, I'm in 7th grade, I have a bunch of lovely, beautiful best friends that I share a lot of time that I spend a lot of time with, and I really love them. I want to be a designer when I grow up. This is unscripted, I don't know what to talk about. I want to be a designer, which is probably not going to work out, but I'll try. I don't know. I got my nails done today and they're beautiful. Yeah, so I also have another YouTube channel. It's a collab channel that I have with one of my best friends, and Juliet. Hello, Juliet. Now you can go follow her YouTube account. It will be in the description below. Also will be in the description. Gosh, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Snapchat, that's all the social media I have, I think. So go follow them, subscribe, like this video, and comment. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that really learned a lot about me, because that would have liked your video. But whatever. Bye. Love you guys.